बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajida Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn class 9 maths, chapter number 4, Factorization, exercise 4.3, question number 2, part 5. Also there are solving of methods too. We are using the method middle-room rake methods. Also there are types of algebraic expression. We are using the type for b, bracket x plus a, bracket x plus b, bracket x plus b, bracket x plus d, bracket plus k. And also the book answers and the steps are written. First of all, rearrange like brackets for this and this, then this. Bracket x1 bracket x minus 4 bracket x minus 2 bracket x minus 3 bracket minus 24. Done this. Now second, multiply like brackets and curly bracket. This and this. X minus 4 minus 1 x minus 4 curly bracket then x minus 3 bracket minus 2 x minus 3 bracket curly bracket minus 24. But still we have not done the multiplication. We need to multiply 2 times. Square minus 4 x minus x plus 4 x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 plus minus 24. Before going ahead, we have one more possibility to solve this and this. So, here will become x square minus 5x plus 4, then x square plus minus 5x plus 6, then minus 24. Now equate like terms with any variable, this and this. X square minus 5x is equal to t. Now t plus 4, t plus 6 minus 24. Now I am removing it. That's why I have no space. That's why I am removing it. You have noted now. Can I remove it now? I have removed it. So here we needed to multiply again. T plus 6 plus 4, t plus 6 minus 24. Minus 24, done this. Now again we needed to multiply t square plus 6, t plus 4, t plus 6. 30. That's 24. Now we have one more possibility before going ahead. This and this. T square plus 10t plus 10t or 24 will become here. Minus 200. Done this. Now here we needed to break middle term. Now t will become here t square, then minus 10t plus 20t minus 200. Now here we need to take t common minus 10, then minus 10. Now t minus 10 will become here and t plus 20. T will be come here. This is nothing, sorry. Now minus 10 and plus 20. Now I am removing it. I have no space. That's why I want to write the answer. That's why. Now I am writing the answer. The answer is x square minus 5x minus 10, then x square minus 5x plus 20, and it's become your answer. The book answers are written. You can check it. First of all, x square minus 5x minus 10, x square minus 5x minus 10, then x square minus 5x plus 20, x square minus 5x plus 20. Okay, no subscribe, no like, only share.